This animal wears a tuxedo and loves to slide on ice. Penguin or seal? Looking sharp, it's the penguin. Press like if your answer was correct. Imagine hearing a deep song from below the ocean. Is it a whale or an octopus? That haunting melody? It's the whale. One of these creatures has no bones at all. Starfish or crab? Yep, the starfish is all soft and squishy, covered in blubber to stay warm. Is it a walrus or a dolphin? Thick and cozy, it's the walrus. One of them squirts ink to escape. Squid or clownfish? Comment below with your answer.